Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to my class. In the previous class, we have discussed about our parts of the body. Now, in this class, we will discuss about our sense organs. Sense organs are those organs those help us to know about our surroundings. How do we know about our surroundings? With the help of sense organs. And do you know how many sense organs are there? We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Repeat with me. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. And with the help of these sense organs, we know about our surroundings. Now I am going to show you something. What are these? These are eyes. And what you can do with your eyes? You can see with your eyes. You can see with your eyes. What are these? These are ears. And what you can do with your ears? You can hear with your ears. You can hear with your ears. Now what is this? Tell me. This is nose. And what you can do with your nose? You can smell with your nose. What you can do? You can smell with your nose. And when mama makes tasty food for you, how you can taste that? With the help of your tongue. With the help of your tongue. You can taste with the help of your tongue. And how do you feel? How can you feel? You can touch and feel with your skin. With the help of your skin, you can feel something. Now repeat with me. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. And I feel with my skin. I feel with my skin. So how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now we are going to do one activity together. What is this? This is bottle. And what is the color of this bottle? This bottle is green color, green in color. And how do you know this is green color? Because you can see this bottle with the help of your eyes. We can see this and we come to know this bottle is in green color. Like this we can see anything like sun, butterflies, trees and garden. Anything you can see. Then this is perfume and we can smell this with the help of our nose. And now in this box there is something inside. You can hear this with the help of your ears. You can hear this with the help of your ears. Now I am going to taste something. What is this? This is lemon and I am going to taste. This is sour. Now I am going to taste some sugar. It's very sweet. Now I am going to taste some chili. It's very spicy. Now I'm going to taste some salt. It's salty. And how you can taste? With the help of your tongue. With the help of your tongue. So you can do these activity with your mama and papa. And in the next class we will meet again with the new topic. Till then,